Tell her you want it. Say, I want it. Tell her I want it. I want it. Tell her I want Mr. Hat.
Kira looks at me. Go get it. There you go. Karen, give it to her. Give her a toy to play
Let her
with.
have just one. Oh. Oh, she wants the other one. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. You want to give her a treat? Okay. Okay. Come over here. Come over here, stand by me. Okay, see Kira, she's sitting nicely and she's speaking. Put it in your hand. No. Put it in your hand. Easy. Good. She's drooling all over us. Oh, that's beautiful. Good girl. Say good girl. Good girl. Yes. Yeah, do you want to give her that one? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yes. That's all. That's all. She wants to give you your move. Here, baby. No? She's kind of like you. She just makes up her mind however she wants to.